Blue Ridge Power, in collaboration with Cumberland County Schools and Fayetteville Technical Community College, have teamed up to create PowerUp. What is PowerUp? Before we learn about this exciting new initiative, hit the like button, and if you are on YouTube, hit the subscribe button to keep up to date on all things CCS. Here is Lee Sproul to give us more details on the PowerUp program.
So the difference between the internship and the apprenticeship is the internship is for high school and college age students. The apprenticeship is for folks who have gone through our PowerUp Academy. So those are folks looking to go straight into the workforce. The goal of the internship is for them to be able to get high school credit while getting paid. If you think of it, you can almost think of it like the old co-op system that we used to have in high schools.
I think what I witnessed today, I see students learning how to collaborate and work together, how to accept feedback in a working environment, developing soft skills. I love hearing that they're able to learn, work, and earn. So just thinking about that whole continuum of what students are able to do to prepare them for opportunities beyond high school.
CCS will have internships available, and FTCC will have internships and a pre-apprentice program available for students who are interested in the solar industry.
The pre-apprenticeship is to bring them out to the training academy here on site, where they will learn the basic skills that they need for both safety as well as construction.
This program will help me in the future because I plan on majoring in a medical field. So right now I'm planning on majoring in nursing. So working with Miss Tammy Winrich as like the office manager intern, she really taught me on how to be able to multitask. So managing the door, going to fill up snacks, all trying to just manage the office and really just be there for the well-being of the whole office.
Blue Ridge's apprenticeship program is open to all adults, and they have created the PowerUp Academy, a one-week intensive class where they learn to build solar arrays before they go into their one-year-long apprenticeships.
The eligibility for this program, high school students that are interested in internships, college students who are interested in internships, high school seniors who are interested, maybe I want to go into the solar field. They're eligible for our PowerUp Apprenticeship Program, which is the partnership with Fayetteville Tech and Cumberland County Schools. And then anyone that's looking for a job. So if you're 18 or older and you're looking for a job in the solar industry, you can come and be a part of our PowerUp Academy.
The solar industry has grown around 33% each year for the past decade, and it doesn't look like it's slowing down anytime soon. If you are interested in this program, please go to Blue Ridge Power's website and fill out their application form. And if you would like to see what other programs Cumberland County Schools has to offer, go to our website, www.ccs.k12.nc.us.